Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kuhurana na indo iria itakinyaniirio ikiro mwena wa Nairobi Mohamed Abikar marakunyirwo ni kambuni imwe iria ithondekaga na ikendia fertilizer ati kuri na andu marendia fertilizer iretanio na kambuni yao mwena wa Moro na hau maratabania mungururio na gukora kuria fertilizer iyo iraigitwo itura-ini ria Segutuo ni gicigo-ini bunge gia Kuresoi ya Rugongo.
Yesterday we received a complaint from Yara Fertilizer, which manufacture normally fertilizers, that there are people who are selling counterfeit fertilizers in Molo sub-county. Today we came here, we went to Sugot, what is the name? Sugoton and Keringet, where we found there were stores and we found counterfeit fertilizers which have been stored there.
Mohamed augite andu aingi ni makoretwo makienderia arimi fertilizer ya thogora wa thi na thogora wa iguru akirekereria mukana kuri aria maratwarithia na mbere thuguri iyo.
This followed that another raid we have done in Nairobi Karioko. We have also seized 19,000 empty carny bags of Yara fertilizer. So it has led us to here. So the bags are coming from Nairobi, but the fertilizer they repackage here.
Kamanda wa borithi mwena wa Moro Timon Odingo augite ni megutabania miungururio duka-ini cia kwendia indo cia urimi niguo gutigirira indo iria cirendio ni cikinyaniirie ikiro.
Msako bado inaendelea na hatutakwama kwa Kuresoi North peke yake, hata wale wa Molo we know them, hata wale wa Kuresoi South tutajaribu kuongeza net yetu such that to arrest watu yote wenye wamechukua government subsidy wana repack.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Segutuo gicigo bunge gia Kuresoi ya Rugongo kaunti-ini ya Naikuru ni njitagwo Joel Kimani wa Njuguna.